Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so glad you're here because today I'm going to be doing another decluttering in my closet. I have broken my closet down into portions and I've divided it up and gone through and taken out certain things in certain sections. I've gone through the shirts and blouses, then I came back and went through all of my sweaters. I've gotten rid of half of those things in my closet, and now today I'm going to be working on jackets and blazers and everything like that. I live in a really warm climate. In fact, I live in the desert, but for some reason, I keep purchasing jackets and blazers, and I never even have enough cool days to even wear things like that. So today, I'm going to go through and take out the ones that really don't serve me, that I don't wear, and that I don't enjoy. It's always better to go through these things in the off season, I find, when it's really hot out. Today, it's 100 degrees where I live. So it's the perfect day to go through these things because I'm really not into thinking about heavy jackets and sweaters and blazers, anything of the sort. Let's get started, and before we do, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Today we're going to be asking ourselves, what do we want to keep? Not what we want to get rid of, but only the things that we really want to keep. I find it's really great to say, what do I really want? And then I'll pick out the things that I really enjoy and really like and really wear, and then the rest of it can go. I'll also be asking myself my number one decluttering question. If I was shopping right away today in the store, would I go in the dressing room and try this item on and buy it again? If the answer is no, then it's definitely time for it to go. Normally, I would ask myself, is this item in good repair? Does it need anything done, buttons sewn on, or anything of the sort? Is it worn out? However, in today's case, all of these jackets are brand new or only slightly worn, so we don't have to go through and ask what condition the item is in today, because we know it is in really good, perfect condition. We will be asking ourselves if this item fits. I'll ask and see, does it fit me well? Is it something I could put on and wear right away tomorrow if I really wanted to? When I try on these blazers and jackets, if they don't fit me, they are just gonna go. I do not want these things hanging around torturing me, making me feel bad and guilty because they don't fit or they don't get worn. Every time I see these jackets and blazers, I think to myself, why haven't I worn that? Why did I spend money on these items and not wear them? Well, it's too late to get that money back, so we can either sell them or donate these items. Once I get them out of my closet, I won't see them, and I won't be tortured and feeling bad about these items ever again. The first thing we're trying on is this white blazer. This kind of reminds me of the 1980s Miami Vice vibes. I don't know if you're old enough to remember that TV show, but everybody in that show wore a white blazer and a t-shirt. I can definitely let this blazer go. Here's a gray blazer I'm trying on. However, the sleeves are really long, and I don't think I want to take this and get the sleeves altered. It would be expensive, and it would really not be convenient. So I think I'm just going to let this one go as well. I really like this blazer, and I think it's nice. However, I just never put it on, so I think I'll let this go as well. Here's a double-breasted blazer. It's just a little bit too dressy for the things I usually wear. Here I have this herringbone blazer, and it's super soft and stretchy, and I really like that. However, for some reason, the sleeves are excessively long. I guess I thought I was going to roll them up or something when I bought it. That doesn't seem right. I don't think I'll be keeping this one either. Now I have another blazer that's a double-breasted navy blue. This blazer fits really good and I really like it. However, I just truly don't think I'm going to be wearing this. So this one will go as well. Here's a black and white tweed-looking blazer. And I absolutely love this. It's so comfortable and it fits great. However, it constantly flips out right here. The inside flips out, and I'm constantly trying to adjust and fix this blazer. It absolutely drives me crazy. So this one's gonna go as well. I know I have this brown cardigan and I just don't wear it, so I'll add this to the pile also. I have this double-breasted navy blue wool coat. However, it's scratchy and itchy and heavy, and I know I'm just not going to wear this, so I'll add this to my donation pile as well. I have that same exact jacket in black. I won't be wearing the black one either. Here I have even another double-breasted wool jacket. I don't want to wear this scratchy, itchy jacket. Here I have a vest, and this vest is loud and noisy, and it makes so much sound, and it's pretty stiff. I just don't enjoy wearing this, and I never pull it out because it's so uncomfortable, and the collar is really tall and very stiff. I'll let this vest go too. Here I have another vest that's really stiff and not very soft and comfortable, so this vest can go too. Here we have a really long vest. I like this when I got it, but it's super long, and I just don't enjoy wearing things that are really excessively long. This vest is so nice and soft. However, this is much fancier than anything I think I will be wearing. Here I am in this pink and blue puffer vest. I really like this vest because it is such beautiful colors. I love this beautiful color of pink and navy blue, and that's why I purchased this vest. However, it's super extra large and puffy, and I feel like I'm wearing packing material when I put this on. So this is gonna go as well. I have this coat, and it's been a really great coat. I've had it for years and years. However, it's really getting old, and I'm just really tired of seeing this coat and wearing it. When I have all of my pictures from places I visited, I'm always wearing this jacket. I don't think I want to have any more pictures again in the future in this same jacket. My goodness, look how many things we've taken out of the closet in no time at all. Just jackets, blazers, and vests. I really like this vest. I like the material. It's made out of 2 different materials here, and it's super nice and comfortable and soft. However, for some reason, I bought this vest extra big. I think perhaps I thought I would wear a sweater under it or something. However, it's just too big and looks sloppy on me. So this is gonna go as well. I have this jacket here that I bought for exercising, and it's really great for going on walks and things. However, the fabric just is some sort of polyester, and it really makes me hot. So I'm never comfortable wearing this jacket. It always heats me up, and I always regret wearing it. So this jacket is definitely gonna go. I have this denim jacket, and I really like it. It's soft and stretchy, and that's really great. However, I just feel like this jacket is too short, and therefore, this jacket has to go. Here's another denim jacket that I have, and I really like this one. It is longer and has a belt. However, I guess I never realized how big the shoulders on this jacket were when I bought it. The shoulders are absolutely huge, and it looks really silly. We are making such great progress. I can't believe how many things are here, and we still have more to go. Here I have this shirt jacket thing. It has holes all in it, and you have to pretty much wear something white underneath, because if not, the color shows through, the sleeves show through there on the arm, and it looks kind of funny. It's just oversized and cumbersome. I think it's time for this to go. I have this olive green jacket that I really like. However, the sleeves are extra long, as you can see. They're super long. The shoulders are really big, and I don't know why I bought this in such a big size. I wanted to try this vest to make sure it still fit and that I could wear it. I really like it. It's super soft. I'm going to keep this one. I really like this linen jacket. I thought it fit really well, but now that I try it on, I see that the shoulders are really big and the sleeves are extra long and pretty sloppy, so I'm going to let this one go too. And now I have this safari looking jacket. I really like this jacket when I bought it, and it seems really nice. However, I had no idea the waist was so high on this jacket. It is way too tall, and the drawstring It really draws attention to the super high waist. And not only that, the shoulders are big and sloppy and the arms are too long. I don't know what I was thinking. If I was trying this on in the dressing room right now, I would definitely say no. So this jacket has to go. Here I have another olive green jacket. This is a linen jacket that I really like. I thought for sure I would be keeping this one. However, when I looked at the sleeves and realized that once again I bought a jacket with sleeves that are way too long and way too big, and the shoulders look extra large as well. It just looks sloppy and I don't want to look sloppy. So this jacket will have to go. This is a jacket that I bought just to wear around to run errands when it's a little bit chilly or to go on a walk. I really like the color of it. It's super soft and it fits really well. I'll be keeping this one. This jacket fits good and is so cozy. I really like it. It's a really soft cotton and it has a drawstring waist. So I'll be keeping this one. Now that I've taken out all of the other jackets, I'm sure I'll wear this one more often. This black cotton jacket is great. It's very versatile and it's really wonderful for going on walks or running errands on cool days. I'll be keeping this one. I normally don't like pullover jackets. This just has a half zipper and I have to pull it on, but it has really nice pockets and it's super soft and stretchy and comfortable. So this will be great for a cool day or running errands or going on walks. I definitely thought I would be keeping this trench coat. I really love this and I think it's beautiful. However, the shoulders are uncomfortable and it doesn't have any stretch or give to it. It's pretty stiff and I just don't ever pull it out because it is just never ever comfortable. So this trench coat, no matter how much I like it, I'm glad I tried it on because it just reminded me why I never take it out and wear it. This definitely has to go. While I'm at it, I saw this pair of pants and they can go as well. Let's take a look at all of the space we created in my closet. My goodness, can you even believe all of these empty hangers? I even found a couple of pair of pants to take out to take to the donation center as well. I cannot even believe I had all of these things in my closet that I didn't even wear or wasn't planning to wear. Just look at how many items we found. It's unbelievable. I'm so glad I'll be getting these things out of my house once and for all. I'll have all of the hangers and all of the space and none of these things stressing me out or taking up room in my closet. I'll not feel guilty about buying them or the fact that I'm not wearing them. I'm going to let them go and feel free of all of these things once and for all. Now the only thing left to do is get busy and start getting all of these things zipped up, buttoned up, and folded up for the donation bags. I also remembered that I had this crazy wild shirt that I bought to wear underneath one of my white jackets. However, if I'm donating the white jackets, I might as well donate this shirt as well. I have nothing else to wear this sleeveless shirt with. I have 2 more sleeveless shirts that I purchased to wear with white jackets. However, I won't be needing these shirts as well. Well, we did it. I successfully got through all of those coats and jackets, and I even found 3 more pair of pants and 4 shirts to donate along with these coats and jackets. I am tired. It was really well worth it though to clean out all of these things from my closet. I feel so happy that now I won't feel guilty every time I see these things sitting in my closet that I'm not wearing, and I won't have to try them on and realize there's something not quite right about all of these items and then put them back in the closet only to keep repeating that every few months. Now I won't have to try anything on because everything left in my closet, for now at least, fits sufficiently and it'll work. Thank you so much for being here. It really encouraged and inspired me to get my closet cleaned out once again. I have more closet decluttering coming up because I still have my shoes and boots to go through, and that'll be another video. I hope you'll come back for that video, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.